Hello students, today we were going to start a new poem, Wind. We all know that wind is a natural phenomenon. In this poem, the poet talks to the wind. The power of wind has been described, and the poet says that wind is destructive. He has linked the destructive power of wind to the adversities of life and says that the weak people break down but stronger people emerge out of adversities. The poem gives us an important message that we should be mentally tough and physically strong in order to survive the hardships of life. A weak person breaks down like a weak building and crumbles. We must make these destructive forces our friends with our strength and determination. Now I am going to explain the poem. In this poem, the poet is talking about the wind. He asks the wind to come softly. So he is saying that the wind should not be very strong. It should be soft and subtle. Then he says that the wind is powerful. It is destructive. It breaks the shutter of windows and scatters the papers. When the wind is very powerful, all the books which are kept on the shelf fall down. So here the poet is describing the power of the wind. Then he says to the wind to look at the destruction that he had done. Whenever there is a strong wind, all the things that are weak, like small plants, teeny children, etc., they all get scared and they can even fall and get hurt. We can say that it is initial part of the poem. The poet is referring to wind as a young child. He is saying that it should come softly just like a small child does. In the later part, we come to know that the wind is destructive just like a youth, just like a young boy or a young girl who is full of energy, violence and destruction. In this poem, the word crumbling is repeated so many times to lay stress that everything crumbles in the face of strong wind. So the writer is saying that when wind is very powerful, it is very strong. It leads to breakage of everything. Houses which are weak falls, doors which are weak fall, and beams on which the roof of the buildings are supported. They also fall. All the wooden structures fall. All bodies of people fall. Animals lives hurts. So he is saying that everything crumbles. Everything that is weak reacts by falling down and breaking in the face of adversity. So the poet is saying that whenever a weak person faces any adversity or challenge in life, he breaks down and falls. The poet is addressing to wind as wind god, and he is saying that the powerful god of wind winnows, that means he shifts all the people, and those people who are weak fall down and get crushed. So here a compression is made between wheat and people. Just like we winnow the wheat to separate the grain from chaff, the wind god separates the strong people from the weak people. When there is a strong wind, all the things that are weak fall and get crushed. The poet has kept the wind on a pedestal. He is comparing the wind to God. He says that wind is God, and we praise and wind every day. He adds that everything that is weak gets finished off in the face of the strong wind, and all the things that are strong flourish and grow to become stronger. He is giving us a very important message that we should not feel bad that we are facing so many challenges and adversities in life. We should make ourselves physically and mentally strong to face these challenges. And once we are strong enough, we will overcome the challenges. We will become friends with them, and then we will be happy that we had these challenges in our life because they help us become stronger and better. I hope you understand this explanation, students. Thank you.